What is up, guys? My name is Rossiter, and welcome back to Clone Armies. Now, if you remember in the last episode, we failed to 3-star the line, so I'm gonna have to go back and redo that. So, yeah, might as well do that now. So, let's go. Now, in the older versions of the game, this stage replaced the hero, so that's why my record is 2 clones in 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Because that was my record on the old hero stage. They've replaced that stage with this stage, the line. So let's go. Hopefully we aren't as stupid this time. And we actually do it. Hold on. I dare you, Commando. Ha 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 ha, you're gonna die. Ha ha, you died. You suck at, you're trash. And I'm dead. Again. Alright. You know what? I'm gonna stick with a private. Alright. Boy, you thought. Okay, he's dead. Wow, I just took every hit possible there. Alright. Alright, come at me, bro. Ah, okay, I killed him. Sweet. Alright, let's see if we can't kill this guy. Oh, well, that failed. Yeah, see, privates are pretty powerful if you use them right. I'm gonna go for Commando. I also didn't pay attention to the level layout very much, so I'm just kind of choosing willy-nilly here. I know nobody uses that term anymore, so shut up. I know, nobody uses that term anymore. Roar! I'm trying not to sound freaking really mundane like I do all the time. Okay? Hello. You are not going to die. I'm just going to stay back until you do your thing. Yeah, oh god. Okay. This thing is getting taken out first. Okay, whoa, okay, whoa, no. Frick. Alright, at least I got a little bit of a guideline of what I'm doing. So I'm going to nab another commando, just because I freaking feel like it. So while everyone's occupied up there, I'm going to take out the bazooka. No! Okay. That could have been deadly. Wow, okay. Alright. Okay, I'm going to stay away from that mess. Okay. Come on, you better. Okay. Yeah, you thought, boy. Alright, now I just wait for them to do their thing. What? Okay, I'm gonna have to restart this. Hold on, I'll meet you guys when I'm at a proper standpoint. Alright, I pretty much soloed almost the entire second part with my second private, so I'm going to pull out a marksman. Alright, yeah, marksman will work. Yeah, that's right. You better back off. Roar. I'm a very scary character. Roar. Fear me. Alright. Oh my god, okay. You just stand back for a little while. That's all I need to do. Alright, you're dead. Jump. Alright. Ah, you thought. Oh, okay, this is bad. Okay, I think I just took 2 bullets instead of the 1 I could have taken. So far, so good. So far, pretty easy. Okay, Jesus Criminy Christmas. Okay, I can't reach that far. I am dead. I am, like, legitimately dead. I'm dead. Yep, there. I'm dead. Alright, let's go for Gunner, my big tank boy. Like, this stage is probably one of the only... Well, this stage and the crash are probably the only legitimately hard stages. Stay away from me. Okay. I forgot Gunner can jump. Well, I mean, I know he can't jump, but I just thought I could dodge that in some other way. Which I probably could, I'm just being stupid. Get over here. Alright, you know what? Screw it. I gotta stay back for this one. Because I'm a gunner, I can't jump. Okay, I can come a little closer. Alright, he's dead. He's coming this way. Alright, you're gonna die. Ha. Easy, too easy. Alright. Alright, next is the main part of the stage, which is that Ray turret, the privates, that one gunner. Which is this missile turret, the MK2 turret, is gonna be the one I have the most trouble with. Because I hate these guys so much. Why I hate them so much, I don't know. Ow. Alright, you're going to die. Well, that happened. Alright. Send out another gunner. Let's just keep sending out gunners until we can do something right with our lives. Alright. I'm gonna try and dodge this one. Okay, I didn't dodge it. Oh god, this is gonna be very detrimental, I bet. Alrighty, you. Don't you stay away from me. Stay away from me. Alright. Got him. Alright, okay, back up, back off, back off, back off, back off. Okay, back off. Come a little closer. Alright, okay, he's dead. This guy's gonna die even faster. Alright, now I just wait. Hold on, I'll be right back while I wait for this guy to do his business. Alright, this guy's done with his business. He's done doing what he needs to do. Okay, that's bad, that's bad, that's bad, that's bad, that's bad, 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 that is very bad. Okay, he's dead. You're going to die. You are going to die. You need to die. Okay, that's done. Alright, let's go. Usually this would... These stages are starting to get longer and longer, so I'll just, like... Alright. Well, I just entirely skipped a clone, so... That's not good for me. Well, I didn't skip a clone. I skipped the clone for you, so you didn't see what I did. Oh well, I'll get that later. Alrighty. You are not going to... Okay, that didn't work. Hold on. I think I might be able to clear this stage with one clone. Or not one clone, 7. I cleared this stage with 7 clones before, haven't I? It's just all about... Okay, stay away from that guy. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna jump up here. Alright. Just wait. I'm just gonna wait. Roar. I'm a giant. Fear me. I'm a giant. Fear me. Okay, you're gonna stay away from me. Okay, he's dead. Okay. You're dead. I can take a few hits from these guys. Oh! Roar! Ha! You get why he jumped? He jumped and dodged it? Oh god! Oh god! I'm not gonna die. I guarantee. Yep, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. All right. Hold on. All right. So I picked Cyborg just because I wanted to finish the level. So yeah. All right. So I'm just gonna hang out up here until this guy dies. And this guy jumps to dodge the attack. Alright, he's dead. Alright, now I jump ahead and kill this guy. You thought, boy. That's not what I wanted to do. Okay, it's not quite a flawless victory, but I did it. Okay. That's excellent. Sweet, I did it. Yeah, I 3-starred it for you guys. The next stage is also quite long, I don't know. Ambush. It was a trap! Get out of here right now! God, I love that. Okay. As you can see, they have a tank and some cyborgs out. And, okay, I'm just gonna skip ahead, because I know what the level layout is. Okay, so. The whole entire idea of this is to get at least 25 coins. The whole entire idea is to get at least 25 coins on the first attempt, which is pretty easy. All you do is run right and shoot. Okay. Alright, that's done. Yeah, and then you could just do that with a commando. Excellent. Alrighty. Okay. Oh. Okay. I can do this. Just give me a second. Alright, that's done. I'm gonna die. Yep, I died. Alright, let's go. Alright, so I heard a defender gunner combo works really well for this, but I'm just gonna stick with a command. I don't know if I should stick with a commando or go for long distance with a marksman. You know what? I'm gonna go for infantry. Because who knows if that cyborg ahead is gonna spot us. And we're kind of struggling on coins right now. So we just wait up here until this commando's done with his business. And then we follow the commando. Easy. Okay. Okay, I almost got hit there. I don't know how I didn't get hit twice in a row. Okay. Okay, commando sauce. Okay, cyborg sauce. Yeah, I died. Alright, so I'm going to go for a defender. I'm not sure how that's gonna go. Alright, I'm coming. Alright, here I come. Roar. I'm a big scary defender with a huge shield. I'm a big scary defender with a huge shield. I'm going to tear you to shreds now. Okay. Bazookas are easy to deal with. They're big and slow. Alright, if I can kill that guy... Oh, of course. Alright. I'm gonna get out of Pyro now. I'm not sure... Like, that's a really good that's a really good, that's a really good thing, is, Defender plus Pyro in this stage. Defender plus Pyro in this stage is an excellent combo. Like, I'm not sure why, but it works. It's a really good combo. For whatever freaking reason. I don't know, it's just the protection of the Defender and the area attack of the Pyro, I guess. Don't know why this combo doesn't... Okay. Alright, let's go. I think the Defender has more health than the Gunner now, at base. So... Alright. Alright, I'm gonna go for it. Oh, right, that happened. I'm gonna get out of Gunner, because Gunner is overpowered. Alright, let's go. Let's go. We're doing really good. The last problem is gonna be that sniper. Like, that's the last issue that's gonna happen with this stage, is the sniper. Okay, they're coming this way. Okay, stay away from me. That's not good. That's not good at all. That's not good. I'm just looking for trouble. Stay away from me. Okay. Just gonna head this way. Don't mind me. Just don't mind me. I'm just gonna continue this way. Okay, that's not good. Okay. Alright, so I should be able to finish off this Gunner fairly easily. If the sniper doesn't pose any problems, which it will. Oh, of course it does. Oh god, and they're right there. Hold on, I'm gonna have to do something about those guys. Like, I could butcher it up. But, of course, that's never going to work out well. I could lure him over. I could lure the Cyborg over with a Butcher and then have the Gunner take him out. With that excess stream of bullets he's shooting. Come on, Cyborg. Are you just not gonna do it? Okay, he stops. Okay, so there's really nothing they can do. There's really nothing we can do about that. Aside from I just slowed them down a little bit. Alright, so... Okay. Really? Come on, man. Okay, I'm almost done with this stage. Oh, frick, they're right there. They're right frickin' there. They're right there. Ah, I'm so close. Come on. Yes, there we go. I did it. I did it. Sweet. Okay. Awesome. Alright, so that'll conclude it for today's episode of Clone Armies. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see me play other games that you want me to play, leave a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.